Hi friends, let me show you my new Suredoo vest for my pets. These are really nice vests. They are step-in vests, the one that you put really easily. And they have a matching beautiful leash, as you can see. I got two because I have two Shih Tzu pets. And you can get them in different sizes. These are medium and large. And we are going to put them in my pets. Let me show you. Okay, this is Milo. He has a worn vest. We are going to put the new medium one on him. As you can see, it's just step in. That's it. Easy. And you close it like this. And it has a lock here. So it won't be open. Okay, so this is Milo with his new vest. As you can see, it fits perfectly. And it's really comfortable for them, okay? They have also this gray or white gray line that it's light reflective. We're gonna test it in the park. Choco here, it's Milo's father. He is larger than Milo, so he's going to use the large one, okay? Perfect. As you can see, they look really nice. And father and son will have the same vest with matching leashes that are really nice. Thank you, really recommend them.